Welcome to our new health and well-being discussion, dear Mansuè Pharmacy friend. I am Dr. Giuseppe Marsal, an expert in phytotherapy, and today I will tell you about the action of the natural extract DNF10 on satiety modulation. DNF10, a patented ingredient, is an active fraction extracted from the protein hydrolysis of Saccharomyces Cerevisiae, a species of yeast. This yeast has been utilized in baking, fermented food production, and beverage-making processes for many centuries. This extract has been shown by clinical studies to act on the mechanisms that regulate the feeling of satiety centrally. Actually, you ought to be aware that your appetite and hunger originate from both short-term and long-term control mechanisms and are chiefly managed by two hormones. Ghrelin, often referred to as the hunger hormone, and leptin, also known as the fullness hormone. The fluctuations in ghrelin, a hormone in our bloodstream, correspond to our stomach's degree of fullness, whereas leptin, a hormone that signals satiety, is discharged as per a 24-hour rhythm by some of the adipocytes in our fatty tissues. Before each meal, food cravings and hunger are naturally initiated by the uptick in ghrelin levels and the regulated maintenance of leptin levels. The University of Seoul, South Korea, carried out an intriguing research in 2017 which was later published in the scientific journal Preventing Nutrition and Food Science. This study revealed fascinating observations regarding the natural extract. The research involved 30 female participants with a BMI above 25, thus classified as overweight. These individuals were administered the substance on a daily basis. A dosage of 0.5 grams of natural extract. The study results demonstrate that DNF10 effectively lowers the secretion of ghrelin, also known as the hunger hormone, prior to eating, and also helps maintain the release of leptin, the hormone responsible for satiety, from adipocytes. This causes an overall decrease in hunger sensations. After a few weeks of supplementation, participants consuming DNF10 experienced a significant reduction in their caloric intake. After 2 months, this is the time of the study, daily caloric intake even drops by 600 kilocalories of energy. We notice a compelling similarity between the molecular mechanisms of appetite modulation and the action of a well-recognized synthetic molecule, semaglutide, the active compound in the anti-diabetic medication known as Ozempic. This compound is a GLP-1, glucagon, lime, peptide 1 analog. This category of anti-diabetic medications functions by suppressing the brain chemistry that provides us a reward sensation during eating. It does this by stimulating GLP-1 receptors in the brain. It doesn't directly make us thinner, but it does reduce our cravings for food and increase the feeling of satiety, just as DNF says. Now, I'll share some savvy pharmacist advice with you. If you want to enhance the action of DNF10, you can combine this with an extract of Rhodiola rosea root. Indeed, Rhodiola extracts work by raising serotonin levels, a neurotransmitter, rather than a hormone, that centrally manages sensations of satiety and tranquility. I want to note that we are available for any queries you may have on this or other health-related topics, or if you are interested in buying any of our products. You can reach us via the pharmacy's social media channels. Goodbye, and until next.